Right now, millions of people are using AI, asking questions, getting answers. But what if AI didn't just answer your questions? But what if it could actually complete your task, book appointments, manage your projects without waiting for the next prompt? That's exactly where AI is going on. And the name of this new paradigm is Agentic AI. And according to the many researchers, this is going to be biggest shift in AI since the ChatGPT itself. Most people assume ChatGPT is an AI agent, but technically it isn't. ChatGPT is a large language model. Its job is to generate text, that's all. Think of it like hiring a consultant. You ask a question, they give you advice, then they leave. That's an LLM. Now imagine hiring an employee. They create a plan, use tools, take actions, take progress and complete the task on their own. That's an AI agent. To understand Agentic AI, you need to see how AI evolved and how fast. It started with prediction. Models that classify images, detecting spams, predicting outcomes. Then came deep learning, neural networks that grew larger, more powerful, more accurate. In 2017, a landmark paper called Attention is All You Need introduced a transformers. That single paper became foundation for modern AI, GPT, Claude, Gemini, Llama, all of them. Then came generative AI, text, images, video, code, all generated on demand. But there was still one limitation. AI could think, but it couldn't act. Agentic AI is solving that. So what actually makes something an AI agent? It comes down to 5 steps. First, observe. Second, reason. Third, plan. Fourth, act. Fifth, reflect. The agent reads its environments, emails, documents, websites, and data. Then it thinks about what's going on. Then it maps out what actually need to plan. Then it uses the tools to take real actions in the world. And later it checks whether the results are good or not. If not, it tries again. The loop is called react, reasoning plus acting. The AI thinks, then acts, then thinks again, then acts again, until the goal is complete. That's what separates a chatbot from the AI agent. The secret weapon of every AI agent is something called tool calling. Tool calling lets an AI agent connect to the outside world, such Google, read databases and emails, execute code. Imagine asking, find the cheapest flight to Tokyo next month. The AI does not magically know flight prices. Instead, it calls a flight search API, gets real-time data, analyzes the results and returns you a recommendation. Tool calling is what transforms intelligence into actions. In 2024 and 2025, a new standard started gaining attention, MCP, or Model Context Protocol. MCP solves a major problem. Every AI tool integration used to be custom. Every company built their own connectors, their own APIs, their own communication systems. It became messy, but MCP standardized everything. Think of it like a USB cable. Instead of creating a new cable for every device, everyone agrees a common protocol. MCP does the same thing for AI. Many people believe MCP could become one of the most important standards in the AI ecosystem. So, where does all of this lead? Many researchers believe we are entering the age of AI workers. Not assistants, but workers. Systems that can execute tasks from start to finish, write software, conduct research, manage workflows, collaborate with humans. And over the next years, Agentic AI could functionally change how business operates, how software is built. If you enjoy this deep dive into Agentic AI, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what is the first job you think AI agents can completely transform. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.